In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your communications using the Wix and Gmail integration. This is a seamless way to keep everything organized, especially if you're juggling multiple, often demanding aspects of your business. So let's dive right in and get started by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your site's dashboard. It's the central hub of your Wix site where you can manage and fine-tune all the aspects of your site, from design to communications. Next, on the left-hand menu of your dashboard, you'll spot an option labeled Inbox. This is an essential feature for managing messages and customer interactions right on your site. Now, if it's the first time you're seeing this or you've never set it up before, you'll likely come across a blue button inviting you to start the setup process. Just go ahead and click that button, and Wix will guide you through the necessary steps to get everything up and running smoothly. An interesting aspect of this integration is that if you've connected your Gmail account to Wix, you can view and reply to your Wix inbox messages directly from Gmail. This means that rather than hopping between platforms, you can manage your communications all from one place, saving you time and effort, a great feature for anyone trying to streamline their workflow. Now let's touch on an essential tool for business communications, your custom business email. If you've set up a Google Workspace business email through Wix, accessing it is as simple as checking any personal email. Head over to gmail.com, where, if you've signed into multiple accounts, you'll need to click on your profile image in the top right corner of the page. This will allow you to switch to your business email account, ensuring you can keep your personal and professional messages distinct and organized. This integration between Wix and Gmail allows for a more organized communication flow. The setup process is straightforward and is designed to help you manage your business interactions efficiently. Remember, having your communication streamlined into one or two places, rather than scattered across multiple platforms, can significantly enhance your productivity. Taking a few minutes now to set this all up can save you a lot more time in the long run, letting you focus on what really matters, growing your business. And there you have it. This setup is a time saver designed to help you thrive in managing your business communications seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide useful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workspace.